To the blue. Indeed.
CBS Radio presents the CBS Radio Workshop, dedicated to man's imagination, the theater of the mind. Tonight, The Enormous Radio, based on John Cheever's extraordinary short story, which originally appeared in the pages of the New Yorker magazine.
Harry, don't you want to hear the workshop? It's a pretty good show.
Oh, I feel like music, don't you? The Schubert Ferellum, isn't it?
Yeah. All right, leave it on. A little louder, though, will you?
Jim and Irene Westcott were the kind of people who seemed to strike that